Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashmi. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this beautiful, glowing, shiny and healthy skin at home with a very simple facial. It just has a very few easy simple steps and you can achieve this beautiful glowing skin at home. So stay tuned with me and let's get started. So the first step of our facial is the cleanser. So for the cleanser, we will take rice cream and I have showed how to make this rice cream. I will link the recipe down below for the rice cream, how to make it at home. So we will just take about 1 teaspoon of rice cream. Next thing we need is some honey. So we will just add just a couple drops of honey in there. That's all. Third thing we need for the cleanser is some lemon. So we'll just add like a few drops of lemon juice and then we'll just mix everything up. So our cleanser is now ready. So guys, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my steamer and I'll have it going on my face while I'm doing all the steps. Until the steamer runs out of water, I'm just going to let it run and I won't refill it. I'm going to go ahead and take my cleanser and I'm going to clean my face with it. Make sure that your face is clean and washed. Skin is always clean and hands are also clean. And we're just going to rub it in and double cleanse our skin. As I have said in my video, the rice cream video, that the benefits of rice. Rice has really whitening and brightening benefits. It actually lightens your skin, not exactly bleaching or whitening the skin, but just removing the tan and the dead skin from your surface. And that way it makes your skin glow and it actually brightens your skin. So rice has skin brightening properties. And in the cleanser, we added honey, which has very good antibacterial and moisturizing properties. So honey will actually help kill the bacteria. If you have any acne or any problems like that, it will actually help with that. Plus it also moisturizes the skin. And the lemon juice, of course, we all know that it's a skin brightener. So it will actually help in brightening the skin. So this cleanser is just going to double cleanse our skin. And always make sure to include your neck. Don't ever forget your neck because neck is also part of the face. Just massage it for 2 to 3 minutes like this in circular motions. Next thing I'm going to do is just take a wet sponge and just wipe off my face with it. You can also simply go and wash your face after the step. Next step is the scrub. For the scrub, we need the tomato ice cubes, which I had made. I'm gonna link the video down below in the description box, how to make these ice cubes from tomato and other ingredients. Next ingredient we need is the saffrice mask and scrub. So this is like a rice mask, which has many other glowing and anti-aging ingredients in it. And we just need like half teaspoon of this. And then the next thing that we need is some coffee. So any coffee is fine. I'm just using just any regular coffee. Does not have to be any specific brand. We will take around 1 teaspoon of coffee. That's our scrub. So we're just gonna mix it up and our scrub is ready. So as we have prepared the scrub, I'm just gonna apply it to my skin, all over my face. So this scrub contains the rice mask, the saffrice mask, which the main ingredient in that mask is rice extracts. So the rice actually, as I said, it has brightening and lightening properties, and it also is a really good scrub because it's gritty. The rice is in a powder form, so it's gritty, so it actually helps in exfoliating the skin. It removes the dead skin and it actually makes your skin glow. This mask also, this scrub also has coffee in it, and coffee is really good for skin brightening and also exfoliation because coffee also has a gritty texture. So it's going to help us remove the dead skin from our face. And also this scrub has the tomato ice cubes, which have potato and lemon in it and cucumber. So all those are skin brightening ingredients which help with detanning your skin, removing dark spots, acne marks, any kind of pigmentation or skin discoloration. These all help with these ingredients, they all help with these problems, the skin problems. So we are actually scrubbing our skin very lightly. Don't be harsh. We don't want to tear our skin. We're just trying to remove the dead skin. So you should be exfoliating twice a week. So this scrub, actually, you can use it twice a week just by itself, not as part of the facial, because home facials, you can just do it once a week. But the scrubbing part of it, you have to exfoliate and scrub your skin twice a week to maintain that shine and glow on your face, because you need to keep on exfoliating the dead skin off of your face. So this scrub, you can use it by itself twice a week. So I'm just going to continue scrubbing my skin in circular motions. So I have scrubbed my face for about 3 minutes, and now I'm gonna go wash my face. But one thing I would like to point out is, if you have acne, active acne on your face, anywhere on your skin, do not scrub over it, because you are just simply gonna irritate it more and make it worse. So if you have any active acne, make sure to avoid those spots altogether. So as you can see, my skin is looking nice and shiny because all the dead skin is off and it has added a glow to it. The next thing we're gonna do is we will take some argan oil. This is from My Glam USA, and I'm just gonna massage my face for about 5 minutes. And you can use any oil that suits your skin. So argan oil is very lightweight in texture. It's not greasy and oily and sticky. Plus, it is packed with vitamin E, so it's great for anti-aging and also for moisturizing the skin. So I'm just gonna massage my face for 5 minutes. So our last step is the mask. Now we need to close the pores and make our skin tight again. So again, I'm taking the tomato ice cubes that are melted. To this, I will add 1 teaspoon of the rice mask. The thing that I will add is some Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth. So you can use the Multani Mitti. If this is not available to you, you can simply just use the besan, which is chickpea flour, which we all have at home. If you feel like it's a little too runny, you can always add more besan or more Multani Mitti to it. You can also just simply add the saffron mask in there as well and make it a little thicker. All right, our massage is done. Now on with the last step of the facial, which is the mask. So I'm just gonna apply the mask all over my face, and I'm gonna leave it on for about 15 minutes. Let it dry. Do not have to let it completely dry. 15 minutes, 20 minutes is good enough, and then you just wash it off. Okay guys, so we are all done, and as you can see, my skin is feeling so lovely. It's all fresh and glowy, it's smooth, all the dead skin is off, and it's nice and clean and fresh. Next thing I'm gonna do is take some Saffrose toner from My Glam USA. I'm just gonna pat some on my skin real quick, and I keep this in the fridge. It's nice and cool. This toner is going to balance the pH of my skin. It's going to add some moisture and some glow. And the saffron, because of the saffron, it's going to give me some anti-aging benefits as well. So I'm just gonna apply the toner real quick, and just wait for it to dry up for like 2 minutes. So once the toner has dried up, I'm just gonna quickly apply some vitamin C serum on top of this, and this is the last step of the facial. So vitamin C serum is absolutely a must for all women over the age of 25. So just take a few drops of the vitamin C serum. This is the Glow Secret Vitamin C Serum from My Glam USA. You can find all these products on my website. I have linked my website in the description box down below as well. So that concludes all the steps of our facial. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to thumbs up this video. If you like this kind of content, do consider subscribing to my channel, and until next time, I'll see you all again. Bye-bye.